Completely transform how you do graphics with the most advanced graphic editor yet. Finally, one platform to use for all of your graphic needs. Seriously, from the traditional online graphics you already know and need to anything that you can imagine, offline as well, like even a billboard. Yes, even as large as a billboard. Hello, I'm Todd Gross, along with the team that brought you Designo Pro, and we want to say a very big thank you. In fact, our current customers love Designo Pro, and after it launched, we did receive tons of great feedback and advice and ideas from them. Now, a lot of ideas were implemented immediately into Designo Pro, but we also started building the framework for a brand new Designo Pro platform that will absolutely blow you away. Welcome to Designo Pro 2, where creating graphics goes leaps and bounds beyond your traditional graphic creation apps. With Designo Pro 2, it is easy to create virtually any type of graphic you need for any application you could think of. From the traditional graphics you create for web pages, online videos, and social media, to graphics for offline printing needs like t-shirts, concert posters, stickers, coffee mugs, billboards, tennis shoes, banners, big and small, pillows, semi-tractor trailers, jackets, business cards. Phew! Okay, I think you get the point. What you create in Designo Pro 2 can be used for all your online needs and virtually anything offline that you can print a graphic on. You see, Designo Pro version 2 specializes in the creation of vector graphics such as SVGs, which are 100% scalable to any size, tiny or huge, without any disruption in quality or color. Now that's why you could use these designs for pretty much anything you could imagine. This is extremely helpful because now you only need one application for all of your graphic design needs, and it's Designo Pro 2. Take a look for yourself. Presenting Designo Pro version 2. Now let me show you inside by clicking Get Started. Now the first thing you will notice about Designo Pro 2 is the whole new look and feel. And secondly, you'll see that we've introduced many things, including visual 3D graphics. There are 3D covers, ebook covers, wearables, and much more. Designo Pro 2 will have over 500 fresh new templates. Note that you could actually see all these beautiful templates before signing in. You will fall in love with this software. Just click here to sign in, and after you log in, you can see across the top some of the most important features of Designo Pro 2. Now you could add your very own custom fonts and use them in the editor. The next important feature is the Web API. So now third-party applications can integrate with Designo Pro 2 and access Designo Pro 2's designs in their applications too. Now let's select one of the designs and have a look at the editor. With the original Designo Pro, you were able to edit the design in a very simple way, like editing text, changing colors. In Designo Pro 2, we've added advanced tools like Lock Element. Now you just select any element of an object and click this button right here. You select Lock Element to simply lock it in place. Now once the element is locked, you won't be able to move it. A practical example of using this feature would be locking the background so it cannot move by accidentally dragging. You know, that's really important when you're working and you don't want things to get messed up. To unlock a locked element, follow the same procedure and select Unlock Element. Another new feature allows you to flip the objects horizontally and vertically with a single click. Select an element and go to the editing menu on the top there, and you just click flip. Now on the main screen, we'll see our beautiful selection of realistic mock-ups. Now I'll show you how to use another of our great features. It's called Auto Adjusting Image in Mockups. Okay, so you select the mockup you want and you click to go to the editor. You click this red button to add image to mockup. You select the image you want to add. You use the mouse to scroll, or the slider below, to adjust the image in the highlighted part. And now click Add in Mockup, and boom, it automatically fits itself inside the frame of the mockup. Now this is a very powerful feature. With Designo Pro 2, you choose the template, select your logo, and you're done really. Our t-shirt preview is a lot of fun, and our designs are vectors. That means you could create your design and use it on multiple items, from t-shirts to hats to gloves, without concern, because the design will not be distorted at all or blurred. That's because we're using the vectors. Now select any template and edit it if you want, and preview your design on various shirts. Our exciting new time-saving category is branding mockups. Now we're adding more designs to this amazing category daily. You click on the group that you want, and you may edit one item at a time or select bulk text settings and edit the whole group at once. How's that for increasing productivity? Now you can export as PNG or a JPEG and as a PDF vector file for printing purposes. But even better, we have succeeded in our challenge, and for the first time, you can export a vector-based SVG with fonts embedded, and these can be used anywhere in online and offline businesses. Let's wrap up with another great feature, saving the project. Until now, you were able to save the project locally on your system, but with Designo Pro 2, we are providing unlimited cloud saving space for our customers. Just click Save Project to Cloud like this, and save it on the cloud. Now you can access it from here or from the main menu like this. Pretty fantastic, right? It's so intuitive, in fact, and easy to use, with so many more design options to choose from and so many more ways that you could create different designs. And the best part is there are just so many more applications you could use these designs for. And that's really what makes Designo Pro 2 worth this minimal, and I mean tiny, one-time investment, because it will continue to pay for itself over and over and over again. Literally, each time you need a graphic, you'll simply be able to create it. And as I mentioned, this goes beyond the traditional create a graphic for a web page or a video. Now you can create designs and literally build a whole business off of them on e-commerce platforms like Etsy, for example. With Designo Pro 2, it's all possible. I know every graphics editor out there says you'll never need another editor again. This time it's true. This one does it all. Get Designo Pro 2 right now at this one-time, extremely low price and start designing like a pro today.